Managing your full social funnel from one dashboard might sound complicated, but in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple and efficient way. Whether you're handling multiple platforms or trying to streamline your workflow, having everything in one place is a game changer, and I'm about to show you how. When it comes to managing your full social funnel, you want to avoid juggling different tools. Instead, you need one central dashboard that connects all your social media accounts, funnels, and engagement efforts. This means no more logging in and out of different platforms. With the right software, you can access everything from one dashboard and easily manage your posts, interactions, and analytics in real time. So what's the first step? Connect all your social media accounts to the software. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even TikTok, you can link your accounts to centralize your efforts. Once that's set up, you'll be able to schedule and manage posts across all platforms from one place. You won't have to log into each platform individually or worry about cross-posting issues. Next, you can create automated workflows to keep your social funnel moving smoothly. For example, you can set up automation to follow up with leads who engage with your content, or even automatically send content based on your audience's behavior. This helps you maintain consistent communication without having to be glued to your screen all day. Analytics is another crucial part of managing your social funnel. With the software we'll be using today, you can view all your key metrics in one dashboard. From engagement rates to lead conversions, it gives you a clear picture of your social funnel's performance. You'll know which posts are working and where to adjust your strategy. The power of having everything in one dashboard also means you can track the entire customer journey. From the moment they first engage with your content to the point where they convert, you can see where your leads are dropping off and optimize your funnel accordingly. Plus, if you want to A/B test your content, you can easily set that up within the dashboard as well. Now, here's a huge time saver. Instead of manually responding to comments and messages across different platforms, you can manage all your social interactions in one place. This will free up a lot of time while keeping your engagement personal and responsive. Whether it's replying to DMs or managing comment threads, everything is simplified within the dashboard. If you want to follow along, I've got a special treat for you. You can access an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. You can try all the features I've mentioned and see how it transforms your workflow. To wrap up, managing your full social funnel from one dashboard is all about efficiency. By connecting your accounts, automating tasks, tracking performance, and centralizing your interactions, you can streamline your entire social media strategy. The key takeaway here is that having everything in one place will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters, engaging with your audience and growing your business. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.